Welcome, gentlemen, to a breakthrough session in reclaiming your vigor and vitality. Have you ever felt sidelined by erectile dysfunction, thinking it's just a part of aging? Think again. Today we're unveiling natural, groundbreaking solutions that not only address erectile dysfunction, but also boost your overall male health. We're talking about increased energy, improved cardiovascular health, and a rejuvenated sense of well-being. No more reliance on temporary fixes or feeling like you're in this alone. Stay with us as we guide you through simple yet powerful strategies to revolutionize your health and reignite the spark in your life. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Understanding erectile dysfunction. Gentlemen, erectile dysfunction isn't just a personal issue. It's a common health concern. Studies show that ED affects about 50% of men over 50. To tackle this effectively, let's gain a deeper understanding of erectile dysfunction, ED, focusing on two critical elements: smooth muscle and nitric oxide, both fundamental in maintaining a healthy erectile function. Secret 1, the smooth muscle and ED. Let's delve into a crucial aspect often overlooked: the role of smooth muscle in erectile function. Smooth muscles in your penile tissues relax to allow blood flow, leading to an erection. According to the Journal of Sexual Medicine, the health of these muscles is vital. If they're weakened, maintaining an erection becomes challenging. Strengthening them is key to combating ED. How do we strengthen these smooth muscles? The answer lies in a combination of nitric oxide production and lifestyle changes. Nitric oxide not only improves blood flow, but also aids in the health of smooth muscles. Diet plays a pivotal role. Foods high in flavonoids like dark chocolate and berries benefit smooth muscle function and overall vascular health. Research from 2017 found that eating more fruits, vegetables, and flavonoids lowered the risk of ED in men ages 18 to 40. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon, are not just good for your heart but also for your smooth muscles, aiding in maintaining their elasticity and function. Targeted pelvic exercises can also aid in strengthening these muscles. Kegel exercises, although more commonly recommended for women, can also benefit men by enhancing smooth muscle strength and erectile function. Here's a simple guide to get you started. Identify your pelvic floor muscles by trying to stop urination midstream or tightening the muscles that prevent you from passing gas. These are your pelvic floor muscles. Tighten your pelvic floor muscles and hold the contraction for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax for the same amount of time. Repeat this cycle 10 times per session. Aim to do this exercise 3 times a day. As your muscles get stronger, increase each contraction to 10 seconds and gradually work up to 20 repetitions 3 to 4 times a day. Maintaining a healthy weight and avoiding smoking are also crucial, as both excess weight and smoking can weaken your smooth muscles and reduce their effectiveness. Secret 2, nitric oxide, a vital molecule in erectile health. Nitric oxide is another hero in this story. It's a molecule your body naturally produces, and it's crucial for erectile function. Medically, nitric oxide is a signaling molecule that plays a vital role in various physiological processes. In the context of erectile function, nitric oxide triggers the relaxation of smooth muscles, allowing for increased blood flow necessary for an erection. The significance of nitric oxide extends beyond erectile health. It is essential for vascular health, influencing blood pressure regulation and overall cardiovascular function. Reduced nitric oxide production can lead to erectile dysfunction due to various factors, including lifestyle choices and underlying health conditions. How do we boost nitric oxide naturally? Nasal breathing, for instance, isn't just a relaxation technique. It's a nitric oxide booster. A study in the American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine highlighted how nasal breathing increases nitric oxide delivery to your bloodstream. To practice nasal breathing effectively, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly, ensuring to breathe in and out through the nose consistently. Incorporating humming into your breathing can further enhance nitric oxide production. During exhalation, hum gently for a few seconds to stimulate your nasal passages and increase nitric oxide levels. Diet matters. Foods high in nitrates like spinach, beets, and lettuce are your allies in this journey. A 2020 study found that men who more strictly followed a Mediterranean diet, or the Alternative Healthy Eating Index 2010 diet, had a reduced risk of developing ED. The Mediterranean diet is rich in foods that naturally boost nitric oxide levels, especially olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, supports cardiovascular health. Use it in dressings, marinades, or for sautéing vegetables. Research suggests that olive oil can help improve endothelial function and increase nitric oxide production, which is beneficial for maintaining healthy blood flow and erectile function. Want to learn more about how olive oil can improve men's health? Watch our previous video for all the details. Liking the video so far? In the next section, we'll delve deeper into natural supplements known for their ability to boost nitric oxide levels. Stay tuned to discover how these supplements can further support your journey towards better erectile health. Secret 3. Best 5 natural supplements to boost nitric oxide. As we delve deeper into enhancing erectile function, let's explore the top 5 natural supplements known for their ability to boost nitric oxide levels, each with unique benefits. On Icarian. Extracted from the horny goatweed plant, Icarian is celebrated for its positive effects on sexual health. It's believed to function by increasing nitric oxide levels, thus improving blood flow. Studies suggest Icarian also supports the health of smooth muscles in the penis. 2. Tongkat Ali. Also known as longjack. Tongkat Ali is an herbal supplement from Southeast Asia. It's renowned for its potential to enhance male sexual health. While its primary fame is for boosting testosterone levels, it also contributes to the production of nitric oxide, aiding in better erectile function. 3. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is another powerful ally. This common kitchen herb is more than just a flavor enhancer. Fenugreek has been found to have positive effects on sexual health and is thought to help increase nitric oxide synthesis, which is key in managing erectile dysfunction. Additionally, fenugreek has been shown to help manage diabetes, a common underlying cause of erectile dysfunction. It works by improving endothelial dysfunction associated with diabetes through mechanisms that increase nitric oxide production and improve vascular health. 4. Nettle root. Nettle root, commonly used for its anti-inflammatory properties, also has benefits for erectile function. It's believed to assist in increasing free testosterone, which indirectly supports nitric oxide production and improves erectile health. 5. Citrulline. Citrulline, often found in watermelons, is an amino acid that plays a significant role in the nitric oxide pathway. It's converted into L-arginine in the body, which then boosts nitric oxide production. This makes citrulline a potent supplement for enhancing blood flow and erectile health. To understand the importance of L-citrulline for men's health, don't miss our previous video. And if you favor natural foods over nitric oxide supplements, be sure to check out this video. Secret 4. Lifestyle changes for better health. Stress isn't just a mood killer. It directly impacts your sexual health. Cortisol, the stress hormone, negatively affects nitric oxide production. A 2019 study found that stress was one of the main predictors of ED, in addition to anxiety and depression. Chronic stress may affect testosterone or cause sleep deprivation, contributing to ED. Sleep deprivation can severely impact your sexual health. Quality sleep is vital for overall health and sexual function. Men who don't get enough sleep are at a higher risk of developing erectile dysfunction. This is because sleep deprivation can lower testosterone levels, impair blood flow, and increase stress levels, all of which contribute to ED. Addressing sleep-related issues is crucial. Research indicates that people with sleep disorders, like obstructive sleep apnea, have a higher risk of ED. Poor sleep can lead to reduced oxygen levels, impaired testosterone production, and overall poor health, which exacerbates erectile dysfunction symptoms. How can you improve sleep quality? One effective method to improve sleep and reduce the risk of ED is incorporating regular aerobic exercise, like running, into your routine. Running boosts cardiovascular health, enhances blood flow, and helps manage stress, all of which are beneficial for erectile function. Research from 2018 found that moderate to intense aerobic exercise for 40 minutes a day, 4 times per week for 6 months helped reduce ED. This includes exercises like running, brisk walking, bicycling, swimming, and skiing. This consistent exercise routine can help reduce symptomatic erectile difficulties caused by conditions like obesity, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease. In addition to running, focus on sleep hygiene practices, such as maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and avoiding caffeine and electronics before bed. Combining these lifestyle changes can significantly improve your sleep quality and overall sexual health. Conclusion. Are you finding this helpful? As we conclude today's discussion on natural solutions for better health, we'd like to draw your attention to a special opportunity. We've partnered with a top-tier supplier of men's health supplements, proudly made in the USA from 100% natural ingredients. These high-quality supplements come with a remarkable 180-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your complete satisfaction. Act now. Visit our affiliate links in the description and step into a world of enhanced health and vitality. As always, we recommend consulting with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on other medications. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on men's health and wellness. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us to continue providing valuable content. Keep learning, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next session of Wellness Wisdom 45.